I think I can do you guys a favor. Let's talk about like how to find levels. So let's go to NVIDIA. Remove the orb indicator. Levels are touch points. You want to find levels in the 15-minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 1 day, so forth. Let's go to the 1 day. Let's chart some levels on the 1 day. This is NVIDIA. Cool. This choppy sideways motion. What you really want, this is a good level indicator though. Horizontal line here, you can find it here, right here. Horizontal line, boom, level. Level. I'd say touch point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Zone. Touch point. You move it up. You can move it up just a tad actually. You better if you move it up just a tad. Level. 1, 2, 3, 4. Level. This could be level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, cool. These are levels. These are levels right here. And what I mean by touch points, I want you guys to not get confused by me because I could be confusing. This is a touch point. That is a touch point. This is a zone of the touch point. So again, I want to make this clear. Levels work in zones, right? So not necessarily the line specifically, although the line is valid as the actual level, but it works in zones. So like this is the zone of the level. Anything within this zone can have a reaction, but generally we see the reaction at the level, right? So again, here's another example of the zone, right? Although level is in the center, anything within the zone has a chance of it reacting. And you're like, oh well, it's easy for you to do this shit and like, you know, replay tool or whatever, but when you're actually in a trade and you watch the price react on the level, you'll start to respect it and you'll start to use them more. But they're very convenient, and this is on the 1 day, so it might even seem cluttered right now, like in the 1 minute, it might seem cluttered on the 1 day, excuse me. But if you go and you scale out, I'm telling you, like, it's going to make more sense. You're going to get paid. The goal is for you to make money. Let's go to another stock. Now, we're a futures trader, but this is just a good example how you can make levels. Let's go to the SPY, what we trade, S&P 500, the SPY. And I'm pretty sure I already have levels on this. No, I don't. Okay, boom. What do you want to look for? You want to look for touch points. Touch point, touch point, touch point. 3. This is 1. We'll keep it just in case it goes back. This is touch point. Touch point. This is the 15-minute. Let's go on the 1 day. Look, you see how many levels we could have created on the 15-minute? But let's go on the 1 day. What's the 1 day tell us? We can refine it. Touch point, touch point, touch point. We could refine this to 1 level. Right there. Delete this for now, since we don't have any more existing data there. I'd consider this good. Good. We can do this 1 level here. So there's a way to refine it on the outer. And you don't want to have a cluttered screen, but you should know that levels work in zones. So if it's within the zone, it can react.